Hey guys, Dave from Dave's Glory Shopworks here, and welcome to part 2 of our Pontiac Torrent Raptor liner. We are picking up right where we left off, where we had panel bonded a new wheel well lip, and that is strong. That's on there. She's solid, so I'm gonna get going on cleaning up the excessive panel bond. Smooth it down. Then we're going to throw a little bit of filler on there to blend the level, and we have got ourselves a wheel well arch back. That'll help us progress to getting this thing in Raptor liner sooner than later. Alright, as you can see, this looks pretty rough. Now this is old filler that I had laying around for a long time, and you'd ask why would I use the old filler. Well, old filler still has a purpose, and going on a job that's going underneath some Raptor liner at the end of it, it's a pretty good purpose. It's a little stiffer to work with, a little harder to get moving, but once you get it, you got it. And this is going to be bucked off down anyway with the sanding block, and as long as there's not too many pinholes, we'll be ready for the next stage. Where we left off, we needed to finish off some sanding. We needed to rebuild the wheel well. Well, finish rebuilding the wheel well on the driver's side. You can see it's all taken care of. Panels back on. Everything's bolted back up. We finished prepping everything, and now it's all been washed down, and I am ready to spray on some adhesion promoter to all the plastic parts, and then it's time to Raptor line. Adhesion promoter. Well, that is as simple as it gets for spraying on the adhesion promoter. I've got to give it about 20 minutes or so, so I'm going to get the Raptor liner out of the box and up on the bench, ready to mix. And when it's closer to the time, we start spraying. Well, here is our Raptor liner kit. We have 4 of these bottles. That is the actual Raptor liner. This is the hardener. There's 32 ounces of hardener. Divide that by 4 bottles is 8 ounces each, which it says right here, fill line 8 ounces. So pretty basic. You get this cup with the kit. I'm going to take this guy. We're going to fill it up to the line. Like so. We're going to pour it in the container. Just like that. Alright, lid back on. We're going to shake this up for about a minute. And then we are ready to spray. So I don't know if, I can't remember what the Raptor liner smells like when spraying it. I'm sure it's not good for my lungs, so a little bit of PPE. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, here goes. Alright guys, we got one full coat, decently medium heavy on there. I used 3 cans. I have 1 full can left. I'm going to give that about 20 minutes to you know, flash off and vent itself. Then I'm going back in with a flashlight and I want to make sure that everything looks pretty even. If it looks even, we're done. If it doesn't, we're going to recoat all the areas because we have 1 full can left. Not bad, not bad. There is a couple of inconsistencies with how the light hits it, but I mean, that's going to be a thing. And overall, we've got a fairly even texture. Looks nice and smooth, nothing glopped up on me. And we did really good. I put an extra layer on the hood and the front bumper area because those will be hit more by rocks and, you know, the potential for stone chip and all that jazz, hence the reason why we did so much of the hood. I guess the last thing to do now, it is dry to the touch, So we are going to unmask and see what this thing's going to look like. I will say, certain areas are going to have pockets of dust in them. I did not unmask the car before cleaning it to do this, and then remask it. I don't have enough material to do that, so there's going to be pockets of, you know, sanding dust fall onto it. So bear in mind with that. And I'm going to get to taking this wrapping off, and let's get a look at what this thing actually looks like in full color. There we have it. Job well done. Almost. Got a little bit of overspray. That actually won't take too much to clean off. But man, it actually turned out pretty good. I'm really happy. We still have obviously the regular stuff to take care of, and I did nick through my masking and I tagged the clear coat there, but that'll be a quick just a quick little buff out with some scratch remover. It looks good. Nice even tape line. Back hatch looks great now. Not too shabby. Oh, I gotta unmask the reflectors, but boy, look at this thing. Night and day what it was. Wheel wells are cleaned up. Sides of it look good now. Let it cure for a day or so, give it a good hand wash, and kid's got a good car. Should be solid. Should be a little more impervious to rock chips now. That's one kit of 4 bottles of Raptor liner, mixed with the hardening agent, or activator, whatever you want to call it. And that was plenty to do a good, steady, even coating all over this car. And it would be enough to do a, say a short box pickup, the bed, if you're just doing inside the truck box liner. But I would think, from what I know from doing the last 2 or 3 of these jobs I've done, I would have to say that to get a good thickness, you would want to buy 2 kits and really go to town on extra layers, especially in the high wear areas. Not so much on the sides per se, but the bed floor and the front and the tailgate, I would definitely give 2 or 3 extra coats just to make sure you maintain a good thickness, and it'll make it a little more robust, I think. I'm not saying it's a bad product. I think it's a great product. Very user friendly, and we have completed this job. So guys, that is my daughter's 2008 Pontiac Torrent, which, again, who would say that a Pontiac Torrent is deserving of this stuff? Well, she has maintained this car since she was 13, or since she was 16, and she is 23 years old now. So that's 7 years with this car, and she's done whatever it's needed to be done to it. She's taken care of it, maintained it, and now she's trying to protect it for longevity. I give her full marks for that. So anyway, I'm Dave from Dave's Lure Shopworks. I appreciate every single one of you. Thank you all very much, and we'll see you on the next one.